What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you the quickest way to farm legendary recipes and things like that, such as for the ray gun, the Wunderwaffe, even though you get that through missions, the rarer Ethereum crystals to pack a punch your weapon as soon as you load into the game, etc. As this method is super easy. It is something that's likely going to be adjusted, but it's not really a glitch. It's just a really useful tip to know, especially if you're someone who wants to farm these incredibly rare items in Modern Warfare 3 Zombies. If we head across to the map and zoom straight into the tier 3 zone, I'll just hang on a second before entering it. Zooming in, what you're looking for is the deliver cargo mission. This is going to let you get a tier 3 reward, and you can do it without even using your gun at all. All you need to do is race into the tier 3 zone, head straight for the deliver cargo mission. Unfortunately, only up to 1 spawns per game, but I'll show you how to get around that a bit later on. You'll head straight for it. We'll basically head back to the one and only gas station here. So I'll need to get up here somewhere. It would be best to drive across there. What you would want is a distraction for the zombies, such as a decoy grenade or a monkey bomb, as that's really going to save you a bit of time. Sprint in, grab the deliver cargo mission, and make your way back towards the gas station. So what you need to do is head all the way here. This is where having the decoy grenade would really help you. You'll essentially sprint straight towards the gate button and open this up. So we'll spam this and get straight into this vehicle. Now, unfortunately, I didn't do that quick enough. This is where a decoy grenade would really come in handy. So for now, self-revive and get going straight away. Okay, there we go. This mission is probably one of the easiest missions to do, the deliver cargo mission. As well, all you need to do is just serpentine a little bit, as in change your direction while you're driving, and it should be incredibly easy to keep the vehicle's HP well high. All you need to worry about really is the fact that zombies will spawn in front of you and lower the vehicle's HP. Alright, so heading straight for the delivery point, simply just drop off the item, and just like that, you'll get a reward rift here containing probably some really good items. Interacting, nothing too crazy. We did get a large backpack, which is super useful. All you'd want to do now is get another one, but unfortunately, there's only one that spawns each game, right? Well, here's where something that Activision will probably change somewhat soon comes in handy. If you were to pick up any other contract here, start it, and then cancel it, it'll be re-rolled essentially, giving you a brand new contract to try instead, usually of a different sort. So if I pick up this contract here and get out of harm's way, I don't think I can do it there. If you open the tag map and have a look at what's around you, hold your cancel button, you'll see that it's re-rolled into something else. So for example, I'm pretty sure it just created this escort mission over here. If I headed across there, picked that up and canceled it, it would probably give us another deliver cargo mission. I don't think I'll be able to show you now, but I'll try again in the following game just to show you how powerful this can be. In fact, I probably won't even take in anything except for actually decoys. Okay, so heading in with nothing but decoys, which you can refill at any time at any ammo station. Alright, so dropping in with pretty much nothing on us except for decoys, we'll head to the closest vehicle, preferably not a quad as those break just too easily, and as you can see, we have a deliver cargo mission. So we'll need to do this very quickly before we continue. Grab a vehicle that's not a quad. I mean, you can use a quad, it's just very squishy. 3 zombies happen to spawn in front of you, well, that's that. So we'll head straight for the tier 2 entrance, then to tier 3 entrance, there. So getting in here, we'll mark the deliver cargo mission and head straight for it. We'll head as close to as straight up to it as we can and chuck down a decoy grenade if necessary. It's probably a good idea to visit a ammo cache to pick up a few more before we get here, but this was actually fine. Now we'll head across to the one and only gas station in the tier 3 zone, right over here. We'll distract the zombies at the entrance by throwing a decoy grenade or a monkey bomb, and we'll open it up. So there we go. We can hop into this thing and get moving immediately to the drop of air. It's usually always in the same spot down here. At this point, you'll be chased by a helicopter. It's very easy to avoid. The only thing you really need to worry about in the tier 3 zone is the zombies spawning in front of you. I think they probably do more damage to your vehicle being accidentally driven over than they do in other zones. Pretty much just a right, then 2 lefts and another right. With there, infinitely many paths that you can take straight to this, but I just find this one's pretty reliable. We'll go straight across to it. There'll usually be a small horde here. We can drive flat, drop it off, and just behind us we'll have the reward rift. If we open this up, we'll hopefully have some legendary items, and we actually had some pretty good things here. What we'll do is we'll want to do another one. So we'll mark the closest tier 3 contract and head straight for it. What we're going to do is cancel it to re-roll it. Usually the escort mission over here has the best chance of turning into another deliver cargo mission. Even though we've picked up the one and only vehicle, another one should just spawn anyways. Pretty cool. So avoiding that thing, we'll get straight across to the escort mission that you may need to use use a decoy grenade to pick up. Don't worry, as we can just head across to the ammo cache right next door to refill, just like that. Now we'll open up our map, hold the cancel button, and once it's cancelled, you'll see that it's re-rolled into something else. I don't think it's been re-rolled just yet, so we'll mark a different contract and do the same thing there as well. We'll head straight across to it, pick it up, and unfortunately it didn't really work for us, but you get the point. When you cancel it, it'll re-roll into something else, and more than likely after cancelling it once or twice, you'll get another mission just like that. Once in a while, maybe once in 5, you'll get rare rewards, such as, if we head into the crafting section, the refined Ethereum crystal to pack a punch a weapon straight to level 2, pretty much for free, as well as possibly even the ray gun. This is a brilliant way to farm for it, and the only thing that could get nerfed is the fact that when you cancel a contract, it gets re-rolled. Simply just doing the deliver cargo mission is the absolute easiest mission to do in the tier 3 zone. You can do it very reliably, and the fact that you can re-roll other contracts to try and get the same one again, it's pretty good. But anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. Obviously you can do it without anything, it's just going to be a little bit tough if you have to run in and cancel other contracts. Usually you'll run in, complete the mission, and get some pretty cool rewards, so you don't even need to worry about it. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.